Tonight, CBS 46 has team coverage on the vaccine rollout, plus big news from Atlanta-based Delta Airlines.
Let's start with Megan Packer on getting the vaccine. 2 people here in Georgia. Megan, what have you learned?
Well, Rick, the state of Georgia is following the recommendations about prioritizing who will get the vaccine first, but it sounds like state leaders may have some convincing to do when it comes to getting at least some healthcare workers on board with it.
So it's exciting news.
With the COVID vaccine on the horizon, Georgia's healthcare workers like Wellstar's Dr. Danny Brandstetter are waiting to learn what's next.
We're going to learn more at the FDA hearing, the first one on now scheduled for December 10th, and we're preparing to receive vaccine shortly after that if it's approved by EUA.
Georgia's Department of Public Health tells CBS 46 the state expects to receive several 100,000 doses in its initial allocation, but they won't come all at once, rather in smaller weekly shipments. People who live in long-term care facilities and healthcare workers will be first priority. But will they be willing to get it?
Thanksgiving Day, I asked every single one of my nurses, and about 50-50 whether they were taking it. There's a lot of hesitancy.
During a roundtable discussion with hospital CEOs, here's what Public Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey told them.
I'm getting feedback from Grady staff and others that they are not going to get vaccinated, or at least going to wait a year more. And I don't know what kind of vaccine hesitancy you're seeing among your staff, and just asking your advice. What can I do?
That's going to be a big part of the mission when the vaccine arrives is to try to get people comfortable with taking it, and we'll be very involved.
And hospital and state leaders seem to agree they will need medical experts to share their expertise and encourage people to get the vaccine when it's available, including reminding them that it's their fellow Georgians who have been part of the recent trials. Live in Atlanta, I'm Megan Packer, CBS 46 News.
Megan, thank you.